there crafters, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Barnhill with Shellmark Stampin', and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. So let's take a look at this. I wanted to make a quick video on using the Stampin' Up full system with the Stampin' Up Hot Foil Shim and Spacer. I'll be making other videos with the hot foil machine in a later video. I've just practicing now just to make sure I get the whole thing, but this is your shim and spacer. If you notice, I made an error. I ended up hot foiling an image of this, I think it's called Sweetly Sentimental Hot Foil dies on my spacer. So the reason why this happened is I did not place my cardstock on the top of the foil when I made my sandwich, and it happens. It's completely okay too. But now you can leave it. You can leave it this way if you want to, because this. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if you can get a really good view of it. Now you can leave it this way because this will not transfer on your projects that you're working on. However, if you're like me, this bothers me a tad bit. So I got a magic eraser that you can pick up from the dollar store or Dollar Tree, pretty much any of your local stores. And this process is pretty fast. It will not harm your hot stamping hot foil shim. I'll show you here. Let's see. Show you real quick what it looks like. So you want to wet this, and then you take as much of the moisture out as you can, so it's just a little tiny damp. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to go over your letters or your little let's see, your foil that ended up on your thing, and then you're going to dry that off. So it came off really well. And in fact, I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of this off so I can show you. It doesn't take very long. It comes off pretty easily. A little scrubbing, but not bad. And this could happen again later on, so I wanted to kind of give you a heads up. So later, if it happens to you, you have a way to remove it off of your Stampin' Up shim, full shim. So, all right, I take that, and it came off perfectly. So if you see, you can just take a napkin and you can dry it off. But as you can tell, it came off. You might have a little bit of spots right here. You can go over a little bit more, and that'll take it right off. Now, the magic eraser did take it off, but you can still purchase extra Stampin' Up hot foil shims and spacers with Stampin' Up, which I think I will be ordering these in the next couple of weeks. This is a backup. But if you have any questions or anything that you need, please let me know. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.